Hi guys, today here is the show where I show you making pie blocks. So pie and pie already exist, so we don't need to make them. Today I will teach you how to make tau. This is what you need. First, you need to make a circle shape. It should be a full round circle, not just a semicircle or any missing edges. Then you need to split the circle into 4 semi-pieces. But don't take them apart, just split them. Then, because tau is a 2 pie, you need to repeat the same thing. And then you need a blue filling. And then you need 2 eyebrows. Now you need the arms. The arms look like this. Need to duplicate the arm. There you have it. Time for the legs. Then you need to fill it like the arms. Make a second leg. Boom! There is your tau. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is not a tau doll. It's just that tau is not a big number, so that's why he's small. Oh my gosh, now he's bigger than me. Wow, this is random. Hey! Bye, guys. Soon I'll make row.